Hi, my name is Max. This is the solution to Loops 4, a spiritual successor to a series of cryptography challenges from last year. The prompt for this challenge is very simple. It simply gives a command which the student must enter in order to access the server. If we go ahead and paste that command in, we'll see that we're greeted with a prompt. The prompt is relatively long. However, in short, it asks the student to implement elliptic curve point multiplication. This is an operation used in elliptic curve cryptography in order to compute secret values that are shared between two parties. The algorithm for elliptic curve point multiplication can be found on Wikipedia and elsewhere. However, tools exist to make this easier, which is what I'll be using for this solution. We can see that there's a series of 5 questions which will all be structured the same way. Each question will give an elliptic curve, give a point, and give a secret value, and ask for the result of multiplying the point by the secret value. In order to do this, I'm going to use SageMath, which is an open source tool that implements many mathematical operations and functions. In order to solve this challenge, the first thing that I'm going to do is define the elliptic curve. The elliptic curve is defined over the field of integers mod 59. So I'll write that first. And we can see that our two parameters are 33x plus 54. So I'll write 33 and 54. We've now created the elliptic curve. Next, we know that the point we're working on is 8, 2. So we'll create that point. Finally, the result that we want is the coordinates of that point multiplied by 12. So we'll write p times 12. We can see that it spits out an answer. If we type 30, 14, we'll see that the result is correct. Each step is done in the same way, just to ensure that the student has implemented their solution properly. In order to make my life a little bit easier, what I'm going to do is define a brief macro. Now I can simply write in the numbers as they appear in the prompt. Continue this process again will give us the solution. You'll notice that the final number is very large. This is to ensure that no strange issues were caused by implementing this algorithm improperly. To make my life easier, I'm going to start copy-pasting these values. And you'll see that after the 5th successful response, the flag is returned. SC5, is this a mathematical group?